Today we're heading to Rodeo in New Mexico. We're buttoning up the outfit here. We decided to start calling her Sue because it's a tsunami and my grandma's name was Sue, so that's the official name, Sue. And the bikes, what's really cool is that we put this is actually, I don't know how well this is gonna work, but it looks pretty good right now, but it's a cover for a barbecue grill. Anyhow, we got the Blue Ox system and we've got a double hitch on there so that we can have the bikes and then have the car plugged up to there. So Gail's bringing in the side and then we're gonna roll. All right, here we are going through El Paso, Texas. And what I wanted you to see is that is Juarez, Mexico, right there. You can see the wall separating. That's how close El Paso is from Mexico. At one point, that was named the most dangerous city in the world, Juarez, Mexico, because of all the drug cartel. I'm sure it's not exactly safe now. Oh, he knew me, yeah, he loved me. He whose glory makes all the heavens shine. I tell you, these are some amazing Arizona kids. Do you think, are you from Arizona or New Mexico? Every shape and size. Never met kids. So what you doing there, Gideon? Genuine. You don't know? You just told me a minute ago. That is easy to us. Yeah, that's really. Yeah. And my parents, they taught me how to race. Yeah. That's great. It was good to meet y'all. Thank you for breakfast and. Oh. Well, good morning. This morning we're coming through Tombstone, Arizona. The town too tough to die. We're going to be going right along Allen Street, right here, and we're on the opposite, so Allen Street, the original street, is one street over from us. And the very first place that it starts is actually Tombstone High School. The very first building on Allen Street is the Birdcage Theater. Out of it. What's really cool is right here, actually, you'll get a better perspective of the OK Corral. So the OK Corral, there's Allen Street. The OK Corral was behind the main thoroughfare. And this right here, this lane right here, is where Wyatt Earp and his family walked to go to the OK Corral, which is right there. That's where the shootout was. That's where they came to McClory boys. And what they were trying to do was make them disarm, take their weapons from them. And this is actually this side of the OK Corral. What's interesting is behind me are the actual men. They've put in, embalmed them and stuck them on the ground. Raise your hand. Throw it up in the air. right there, and a shootout happened. And then unfortunately, right around this corner is where you're going to see where all those young men were buried, at a place called Boot Hill. As we turn this corner, you'll see Boot Hill on our right, and the original tombstones are still there. Well, we had a phenomenal week in Sierra Vista, Arizona, and Vail, Arizona, and Douglas, Arizona, southern parts of Arizona. And we're now headed to Ajo, Arizona, and then on to Temecula, California. So, as we just head out of the desert, and then we're going to head west into the sunset, kind of thing. I'm just thinking back over what a phenomenal, intense, wonderful time that we had, and I want to say a great big shout out and thank you to everybody in Sierra Vista that made this trip such a blessing. Thank you for your honor. Thank you for your support. You are a blessing to us.